Hey, have you noticed that no one is talking about the number one thing you should do to avoid getting the coronavirus? And God forbid, getting rid of it. Hey, my name is Brian, aka Uncle B, and for the last 20 years, I've been the men's performance coach with African Fly, the liquid aphrodisiac. And as a performance coach, I'm mainly talking about getting your health back together, boosting your immune system. And as far as the coronavirus is concerned, that's what you should be doing. You should be focusing in on increasing your immune system so you can deal with the virus, even if it's somewhere near you. Because, hey, you can disinfect, wipe everything down, wear the mask. But just like the common cold, if the virus gets near you, your immune system is what's going to fight it off. This Thursday at 7 p.m., I will be premiering a video that talks about the coronavirus and the 5 natural ways you can increase your immune system. Now, if you're looking for a magical pill, then this is not for you. If you do want actionable steps that you can take right away that don't cost anything, then you need to check it out. Subscribe to my channel, Brian Ayers. I will be there live to take any of your questions. This is a great time to learn more about your immune system, how you can build it up so you're not only avoiding the coronavirus, you're living healthy, and you're avoiding all other types of diseases. Hit the subscribe button and I'll see you Thursday.